Hello everybody! So in this video I'm going to discuss Windows updates. First of all, you can take them out of the queue manually. I did this once before, and then I did it once at a job. So here's the deal. You could do it in Windows 10, and you can actually basically Vista, 7, 8, and 10. So here's how this works. First, I am going to show you Windows 7 that I have running virtually here. And we are going to go to Windows Updates. So you click. Right? So let's say you want to take this out of the queue. What you would do is right click and but see, you're not actually hiding it. All I did was deselect it. So basically right clicking and you click restore update, and then I click that and it's back in. So you're not actually hiding it. What you are doing is you're taking it out of the queue so Windows itself doesn't use it. Now, this is a thing. I did some work one time, and the guy I was doing the work for said, hey, there's hidden, Windows has hidden updates. Windows does not have hidden updates. All you're doing is taking it out of the queue. So, and even with this, right, so I'll do hide update. You're not hiding it. You just took the option away of checking it, so you took it out of the queue. That's all you're doing. When you right click, you click restore update and it gives you the option again. So there is no hidden updates. You're just taking it out of the queue. Alright, so I'm going to show you in Windows 10 the same thing. So that's all you're doing. You're not really hiding the update. Alright, so time for the Windows 10 way of doing things. Now, unfortunately, this is a new install. I had a problem with the other one, and there's a special way you have to do it. So anyway, you see a program up here. It's called WU Show Hide. What that is what it is it's basically a program to help you hide your updates. So I'll show you how this works. You double click it. Now, it's basically the troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, but it's basically how you hide the updates. Now, on Windows 7, as I stated, you don't actually hide the updates. You just take them out of the queue. And when you click hide, you say, you don't download them. So, what you do here is you click hide updates, and there's two of them. I hid the other ones. And so basically what you do is I'm going to click cancel. Actually, I'm going to click I'm going to click cancel. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to update and security. That's pending the install, but I want to hide it. Okay. So I'm going to hide it by using this. So click next. I'm going to click hide update. You select it. You click next. And now it says resolving problems. So basically I just hit it and it fixed it. So now, if I exit out of here, go back into it, I'm going to hide the other one as well. I'm going to click this one, click next, and I'll do it again. All right. So now I'm going to click settings. I'm going to go back into this. So now if I restart it, it shouldn't do anything. And as you can see, it didn't do anything. It just restarted. nothing, which is just what I wanted. So now if I run the update program again, it should say your computer is up to date. This is how you take the Windows 10 updates out of the queue. But on Windows 10 you actually hide the updates. On Windows 7 you don't. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to go in, as soon as it's done booting up, I'm going to go into the update again, the updates I should say, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the update software, if you want to call it that, in Windows and see what happens. So I'll run this again. And see, it didn't install it. It's not letting that show hide program is not letting this install. So technically, I just kept it from updating is what I did. So now we're going to go back to W show hide, WU, which stands for Windows Update Show Hide. Alright, so I'm going to click next. Now, what would you use this on? Okay, when Microsoft was forcing everybody to go to Windows 10, there was a program called GWX, which I did think was fake, but I found out that was real. And what was happening was you had to use GWX to intercept that update. And to basically cancel it, because even when you took it out of the queue, it still did it. So you had to use GWX to get it. That's sort of kind of like what this is, but this is for Windows, specifically for Windows 10. So now I'm going to show hidden updates. These are all the updates that I hid. So what I want to do, let's say I want to call the cumulative, sorry I can't talk, update for Windows 10 version 1803, which is what I'm running. If this was 1809, it would say 1809. So I want this update to go through. So now I click Next. And it fixed it. See, I did show hidden updates and now it's working. Because I told it to do what it needed to do. So once that's done installing and I restart the computer, it should come up with the update. Do not turn off your computer. Right? So it's asking me to restart the computer. I'm going to restart it now. So restart now. And there we go. This is getting Windows ready. Do not turn off your computer. So I unhid the update. Now, in Windows 10, you have to do workarounds around stuff because they streamline it so you can't. Now, in Windows 7, as I stated, you take it out of the queue. You don't actually hide it. In Windows 10, you do. So the OS doesn't see it. Now, I told someone this and they didn't believe me, but this proves that I'm right. And there we go. It's now working on the updates. Update, I should say, but it says updates. Now that show hide software will be the same way for Windows 8, since 10 is based off Windows 8, if you really think about it. And now we're back. So, in the end, with that WU show hide program, you can control how Windows 10 deals with the updates. So, in that case, that's the end of this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.